Carlos gets a fastball and he pulls it to deep left field. Pierre's going to score easily. It's a one hop off the wall. Carlos goes to second. It's going to be an RBI double, and the Phillies take a 2-0 lead.
Talk about that all the time, and you like it when you see the opposition do it, not when your side does it. You take a young pitcher and you walk him into that trap of a 2-2 breaking ball that misses. He almost has to throw a fastball after that, and you have a catcher at home plate and he knows this stuff. And Carlos is going to lock into a fastball, came running right into the hitting zone, and he barrels this baby right off the base of the wall for the RBI double. That's